The Takeuchi B2150CL with 5UML mulcher head is a powerful and versatile excavator designed for forestry, land clearing, and vegetation management tasks. The excavator is equipped with a powerful 114 horsepower engine, and its hydraulic system delivers high performance and efficiency, allowing it to handle tough jobs with ease. The 5UML is specifically designed to work with excavators, and it offers a powerful and efficient mulching solution. It features a heavy-duty rotor with fixed hammers that can mulch vegetation up to 50 centimeters in diameter. Additionally, the mulcher head's variable torque hydraulic motor provides optimal performance and can automatically adjust the power required based on the vegetation density. The Primetech PD300 with 5200 is a powerful and versatile forestry mulcher designed for land clearing and vegetation management tasks. The PD300 is a tracked vehicle equipped with a 275 horsepower engine, making it a reliable and efficient machine for heavy-duty applications. The 5200 mulcher head is a powerful attachment designed for large-scale forestry and land clearing projects. The mulcher head features a heavy-duty rotor with fixed hammers, which can efficiently mulch vegetation up to 25 centimeters in diameter. Additionally, the mulcher head's variable torque hydraulic motor provides optimal performance and can automatically adjust the power required based on vegetation density. The PD300 with 5200 is a highly maneuverable and agile machine thanks to its advanced hydraulic system and high-performance tracks. It offers excellent stability and traction, making it ideal for challenging terrain and uneven ground. The machine's cab is spacious and provides a comfortable and safe operating environment for the operator. The FINTM 225 is a heavy-duty rock crusher and soil stabilizer designed for use on tractors with a power rating between 240 and 360 horsepower. It is equipped with a high-performance tooth system that can crush rocks and stones up to 10 inches in diameter, making it ideal for large-scale and clearing and road construction projects. In addition to its rock crushing capabilities, the FINTM 225 can also be used as a soil stabilizer, helping to improve soil quality and prevent erosion. It achieves this by mixing the soil with a stabilizing agent, such as cement or lime, and then compacting it to create a solid and stable surface. The Primetech PD300 is a specialized forestry machine designed for the removal of trees and other large vegetation. Equipped with a powerful engine and a heavy-duty mulching head, the PD300 can quickly and efficiently shred trees and brush up to 23 inches in diameter. The machine is designed for use in rough terrain and difficult conditions, with features such as wide tracks and a low center of gravity for improved stability. It also features an advanced cooling system to prevent overheating, even in hot and dusty environments. The Primetech PD300 is an environmentally friendly solution for tree removal, as it eliminates the need for chemicals and other harmful methods. It also leaves behind a layer of mulch, which helps to prevent erosion and improve soil quality. The John Deere 950J1 is a crawler dozer designed for heavy-duty applications in construction and land management projects. This powerful machine is equipped with a 6.8-liter PowerTech diesel engine that delivers up to 228 horsepower and can handle tough terrain and challenging conditions with ease. The Brin V250 plow on Deere 950J1 is a heavy-duty plow attachment designed for use with the John Deere 950J1 crawler dozer. The Brin offsetting add-on vibratory utility plows are designed specifically for the installation of fiber optics, copper cable, conduit, and pipe at depths of up to 72 inches. These vibratory plows are ideal for use in all types of conditions, particularly when tractor power is limited due to challenging terrain or soil conditions. The vibratory plows are equipped with heavy-duty blades and a powerful vibratory mechanism that allows for efficient and precise installation of utility lines. The Halverson HWP120 attachment is compatible with various machines, including mini excavators, and it offers a swift method of cutting up to 1/2 cords of wood per hour. For those who own a wood boiler and undertake the task of cutting and splitting wood themselves, this tool proves to be an efficient wood cutting and splitting solution. The Halverson HWP120 can perform the entire process of lifting, cutting, and splitting wood, all from the safety of the operator's cab. This makes it a one-man operation, allowing for greater convenience and ease of use. The Halverson HWP140B is a specialized attachment designed for processing crooked wood. With its innovative design, the HWP140B can effectively straighten and cut crooked or bent logs, making them more suitable for use in various applications such as construction, woodworking, and fuel. The attachment is compatible with a range of machines, including skid steers and excavators, and can easily be installed and operated by a single operator. If you need to process crooked wood quickly and efficiently, the Halverson HWP140B can be an excellent solution, saving you time and effort while delivering high-quality results. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you enjoyed the content, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll have access to a wide range of videos about heavy equipment from various industries, including construction, mining, and forestry. Our channel is dedicated to providing high quality and educational content for our viewers, and we'd love for you to be a part of our community. So, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest videos and industry news. See you soon. Bye.